Ramogi Piny owacho chako chenro mar chwalo kony ne jodak e counties ma oro kod kech kwake pacho ka.
Tielo mokwongo mar chenro no biro neno ni kony ochopo ne jodak e counties 10 ma gin marach mogik e kind counties 23 ma osebedo gi midhiero mar oro.
Kano yango chenro jatend piny Kenya William Ruto singo rango chal mar jo-Kenya ma oro okwako kaka Polo leronwa.
Jo-Kenya madirom milion 3.5 kech kayo kaluwore kod oro mosekwako counties 23 ma pacho ka.
For the last 4 years, we have had failure of rain in many parts of Kenya. And that is what has exacerbated this situation. And hopefully, we should be able to be better prepared as we go into the future.
Bang' dweche mathoth mag riyo kod kech, jo-Kenya makalo e midhiero mar oro geno fung'ruok koa kuom piny owacho. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne oyango chenro mar chwalo kony ne jodak kod jamni e counties ma oro ogoye tach. E tielo mokwongo, loche 50 biro chwalo gunde 20,000 mag ochele, gunde 20,000 mag oganda kod mor tedo ne oganda modak e counties 10 mani marache moloyo.
I have already agreed with the ministry concerned and with Treasury to make resources available so that the next tranche will be on Friday. And on a weekly basis, we will assess the situation and see what this intervention will mean for the people around the country and what additionally can be done as we go into the future.
Kony makamano luoro mane jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua obedogo kod governors ma ae counties ma oro okwako.
The food that you are flagging off today and subsequently will not be distributed by county commissioners alone. It will be a concerted effort between the national government administration, the county governments and our development partners so that there is transparency and there is efficiency.
We further would like to request the national government through NDMA to fast-track the process of actualizing the Drought Emergency Fund, as well as immediately release the equitable share of revenue due to counties to scale up the humanitarian assistance to the household experiencing severe droughts.
E kindeno, Ruto olero ni piny owacho biro nyieo dhok kendo uso ringgi e lo jopiny maonge kod lum gi pi ne jambgi.
Where we find that the animals are too weak, we are going to work with Kenya Meat Commission to make sure that there is an offtake program that will facilitate citizens not to be stuck with livestock when they do not have pasture.
Ruto ojiwo counties mondo ojus bajedgi mar kedo kod oro maliyo e gwenge mathoth.
We have also agreed that county governments will equally make provisions in their budget, even if they have to slow down some of their projects and programs, so that we can take care of this situation.
Bende osingo mar chwalo kony mar pi ne jodak e gwengego kuom tudruok kod kembe mag ji giwegi.
We are going to work on the law so that we create provision for water purchase agreements that will make it possible for the private sector to invest in the water sector, and we can buy water from them, and we do not have to deploy huge resources from government in that sector. The private sector can work with us.
Kony makamano oyudore koa e agulu mar piny owacho mamalo kod riwruoge moko ma ok mag sirikal kaka World Food Program, Safaricom, USAID e kind mamoko. Jatend piny William Ruto bende osingo ni tielo mar ariyo mar kony biro chopo e gwenge tich abich jumani.
It is my hope that this will be among the last times we are doing this kind of ceremony, where Kenyans are facing starvation and hunger, and we have to do this.
Polo, Ramogi TV.